Have you delayed your plans to buy a house because of how competitive the market was over the past few years? If so, hear this. Today's market is different. Here's a look at 3 trends that are good news for today's home buyer. Number 1, you have more homes to choose from. There are more homes for sale, so finding exactly what you're looking for isn't nearly as difficult as it was a year ago. And number 2, bidding wars have eased. The average number of offers on a home has dropped from 3.7 to 2.4, which means there is less competition from other buyers. And number 3, you have more negotiating power. 92% of recent buyers negotiated with sellers on things like pricing, home repairs, and even covering closing costs. So with these 3 trends, you've got something to get excited about. So if you're ready to kick off your home buying process, give me a call at 803-814-6136 and let's talk.